I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make purple lobster dunks. First, navigate to the shoe creation suite in your game. This is usually found under the customization or My Player sections. Choose a low-top sneaker model that closely resembles the classic dunk silhouette. This provides the best canvas for your design. Next, focus on the primary colors. Select a rich, deep purple for the shoe's overlays, including the toe cap and heel. For the side panels and collar, choose a bright, eye-catching blue. These two vibrant colors form the core of the purple lobster aesthetic, making your design instantly recognizable. Now, let's add the crucial details. Make the iconic swoosh and the laces a clean white to stand out. For the outsole, select a bold red to mimic the lobster's underside. Consider using a suede or textured leather material for the purple and blue sections to give them a premium and authentic feel. Finally, inspect your creation from all angles. Ensure all colors are correctly applied and materials look authentic. If your game allows, add any personal branding or subtle details to truly make them your own. Once satisfied, save your unique purple lobster dunks to your collection, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.